Protecting your plants from bugs without resorting to spraying can be a challenge, but it's crucial for maintaining a healthy garden ecosystem. Did you know that insects and pests cause billions of dollars in damage to crops and gardens worldwide every year? This shocking statistic underscores the importance of finding effective, eco-friendly methods to keep your plants safe without relying on harmful chemicals. One of the most effective strategies for protecting your plants from bugs is through integrated pest management, IPM. IPM focuses on prevention and uses a combination of cultural, biological, and mechanical methods to control pests naturally. Start by selecting pest-resistant plant varieties suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Healthy plants are more resilient to pests, so ensure they receive adequate water, sunlight, and nutrients. Proper spacing between plants can also reduce pest infestations by improving air circulation and reducing humidity, which pests thrive in. Another essential aspect of pest management is encouraging natural predators and beneficial insects in your garden. Ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory mites are examples of insects that feed on common garden pests like aphids, caterpillars, and mites. You can attract these beneficial insects by planting nectar-rich flowers, such as marigolds, daisies, and yarrow. Additionally, consider introducing nematodes, microscopic organisms that naturally control soil-dwelling pests like grubs and larvae, into your garden soil. Physical barriers and traps are effective non-toxic methods to protect your plants from pests. Use row covers made of lightweight fabric to shield plants from insects while allowing sunlight and water to penetrate. Sticky traps attract and capture flying pests like whiteflies and aphids, reducing their population without harming beneficial insects or other wildlife. Hand-picking pests off plants is another labor-intensive but effective method, particularly for larger pests like caterpillars and beetles. Planting companion crops is a traditional gardening technique that can help repel pests naturally. For example, planting basil, garlic, or marigolds alongside susceptible plants like tomatoes and roses can deter pests with their strong scents. Similarly, intercropping, or planting different crops together, confuses pests and reduces the likelihood of widespread infestations. Rotate crops annually to disrupt pest life cycles and prevent them from establishing permanent populations in your garden. Cultural practices such as regular pruning and sanitation are essential for preventing pest outbreaks. Remove and destroy diseased or infested plant parts promptly to prevent pests from spreading. Keep your garden clean by removing weeds and debris, which can harbor pests and provide hiding places. Mulching with organic materials like straw or wood chips not only conserves moisture and suppresses weeds, but also improves soil health, which in turn supports plant vigor and resilience against pests. Lastly, if pest problems persist despite preventive measures, consider natural pest control products as a last resort. Insecticidal soaps, neem oil, and diatomaceous earth are examples of low-toxicity options that target specific pests without harming beneficial insects, pets, or wildlife. Always follow label instructions carefully and apply these products during cooler times of the day to minimize impact on beneficial insects. Protecting your plants from bugs without spraying is not only feasible, but also advantageous for creating a healthier and more sustainable garden ecosystem. By adopting these eco-friendly strategies, gardeners can reduce their reliance on chemical pesticides, which can harm beneficial insects and pollinators essential for plant health. Implementing integrated pest management techniques ensures that pest control efforts are targeted and effective, focusing on prevention and natural solutions rather than reactive treatments. This approach not only preserves the natural balance of your garden, but also enhances soil fertility and overall plant resilience. By cultivating a garden environment that mimics natural ecosystems, gardeners can create a sustainable and thriving landscape where plants flourish and pests are managed effectively without compromising environmental health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.